Welcome to Technical Chat number 1. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the newly launched OnePlus 13R, a phone packed with premium features and powerful performance. We'll cover all its specifications and unique details, so stay tuned till the end to know if this device is worth it for you. Let's start with the body and design. The OnePlus 13R has dimensions of 161.7 by 75.8 by 8 millimeters and weighs 206 grams. It has a glass front made of Gorilla Glass 7i, an aluminum frame, and a glass back. It also features IP65 certification, making it waterproof and dustproof. Moving on to the display, the OnePlus 13R features a 6.78-inch LTPO 4.1 AMOLED screen. It supports 1 billion colors, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HDR Vivid, with a peak brightness of 4,500 nits and 1,600 nits in high brightness mode. Additionally, it offers a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. The phone also comes with an under-display optical fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Now let's talk about the software and performance. The OnePlus 13R runs on Android 15 and comes with Oxygen OS 15. OnePlus promises up to 4 major Android upgrades. Under the hood, it is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process. When it comes to the battery, the OnePlus 13R is equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery that provides all-day battery life. It supports 80-watt wired fast charging, so you can get back to full power in no time. The phone is available in 2 stunning colors, Astral Trail and Nebula Noir, giving users sleek and vibrant options to choose from. Let's dive into the camera setup. The OnePlus 13R features a triple rear camera system, including 50-megapixel wide sensor, 50-megapixel telephoto lens, 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For video, the rear camera supports 4K at 3060 FPS and 1080p at up to 240 FPS, along with gyro EIS support. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera. It supports 1080p at 30 FPS with gyro EIS for steady selfies and vlogs. The OnePlus 13R offers 2 storage options, 256GB with 12GB of RAM, 512GB with 16GB of RAM. It uses UFS 4.0 storage technology. However, there is no micro SD card slot, so you'll need to rely on internal storage. The phone supports dual nano SIMs and eSIM. It also includes NFC, an infrared port, and a USB Type-C 2.0 port. Unfortunately, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. So that's everything you need to know about the OnePlus 13R. From its vibrant AMOLED display to its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and versatile camera system, it's a complete package for tech enthusiasts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Technical Chat number 1, and hit the bell icon for more such reviews. Share your thoughts about the OnePlus 13R in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.